Hello Unistars, welcome to my YouTube channel, and right now I will be unboxing or doing a haul of the BT21 items that I bought recently through BT21 Pasabay. Most of these items are what you call the essentials when it comes to working from home or studying at home. And right now we have our friend Cookie here, and at the back we have Koya. So, shall we start? The first item is this one. This is the RJ Bon Voyage tumbler. It's a glitter tumbler, and it's something that I've been wanting to have since I discovered that such item exists. So look at him. Look at RJ reading a book, and with the flamingo floaty. This actually reminds me of Jin's summer package in Coron, Palawan last 2017. Isn't he cute? This is an essential, especially for productivity. Yes, may you give me your energy, Mr. Kind Alpaca. Oops! Sorry. Now for the next item, let's proceed with the Mousepad. So I got this Koya beans. Look at him, oh. So cute, sleeping. No, he's not sleeping, he's thinking. So I decided to go for this Mousepad because I originally wanted to give this to my friend Kuya Andrew, but I liked it, so now it's mine. I think this will help me feel a bit more excited with work when I use this as a mousepad. Okay, next I also got some folders. I got another Koya one. Look at that, it's just thinking, not sleeping. And there's the Line Friends sticker. So this is an official product. Shall I open this now? Okay, I'll open it so you can see. Okay, so this is the folder, so you can just put some documents in here instead of the boring ones that you have from office stores. What I am planning to do is that I will have a character code for every project that I have, so that I won't be confused or feel lazy in pursuing those passion projects of mine. And so I got this because for some reason a sleeping Koya makes me feel productive. I don't know. And also I have Van, our space robot. I love the color of this one, that's why I bought it. And just left RJ on the shelves. I'll get him next time. So yeah, I've got two folders, and now let's go to the pens. Okay, this is the RJ Skateboard pen. This is 180 pesos. And here's a Mang Gel Pen. This is 210 pesos. This one is not mine. This is for my friend. She asked me to buy these for her. So yeah, Mang and RJ. Cute, diba? Especially this guy. Whoops. Next, we have two more pens, and these pens are also not mine. Yikes. We have the Chim. This is 180, and this one is another Mang, 180 for my cousin. This is for my best friend, and this is for my cousin. So these are all the pens that I got. Ta-da! Time to work, time to work, time to journal, time to work. Okay, so last but not the least, we have two freebies. We have RJ mini calendar and a Koya mini calendar. Diba? They're making our 2020 less miserable than it is. Ay, cute. Cute. Anyway, I can't wait to open this one, so I will open it now. Oops. RJ. This is my first ever Tumbler purchase in my whole life. I always relied on the freebies that I get from companies or as gifts, and it's not that many. So, this is a good buy. Diba? So cute. RJ is so cool, so cute. A serotonin booster. So, yep. That's it, guys. Going to make some lemonade. So, if you enjoy my unboxing videos, haul videos, love BTS, BT21, love Tiny Tan, or you're part of the Boodle gang, or you love traveling, please subscribe and like my channel. So, bye guys!